Development of an organism consists of multiple and highly specific events in regard to its sequence. This system works in a cascade of control from products of genes within a chain called regulatory proteins. These proteins will bind to DNA and either activate or repress the gene. Many of these interactions affect the progression of transcription downstream. A hypothetical chain of events taken from the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy will now be used to further illustrate these relationships. Transcription of the developmental gene, the ultimate question of life, is influenced by 6 different proteins: Vogons, Ford prefect, Zaphoid beeblebrox, Arthur Dent, the mice, and Slartibartfast. These genes are repressed when transcription cannot be completed and the ultimate question cannot be found. The opposite is true for the activating proteins which enable the expression to proceed. In this book, the mice, or protrusions into our dimension of vast hyper-intelligent pan-dimensional beings, order Earth to serve as a giant computer created to find the question that would give meaning to life, but the Earth was blown up by the Vogons right before the calculations could be completed. However, the mice believe the ultimate question can be obtained by chopping up Arthur Dent's brain and using it to finish or promote the calculation, since he was a part of the Earth computer when it exploded. The Vogon's destruction of Earth blocks Arthur. His life was saved or activated by his friend Ford Prefect. Ford is an alien, and they were able to stow away on the Vogon's ship just before it exploded. Unfortunately, the Vogons don't like hitchhikers, so Arthur and Ford are thrown out of the spaceship to die in the cold void of interstellar space where not even a Starbucks exists. However, this causes them to run into or promote Zaphoid beeblebrox in the Heart of Gold spaceship, and after he uses his improbability drive to find them. Zaphoid activates the introduction of Slartibartfast, who tells Arthur the truth about Earth. Here, they also run into the mice, who try to activate Arthur in the ultimate question, but Slartibartfast blocks the mice and helps the crew escape into the night, and the question of life is never to be transcribed. Here is a summary of the pathway. The Arthur gene product promotes transcription of the ultimate question. The Vogon gene product inhibits transcription of Ford. Ford's gene product stimulates transcription of Zaphoid. Zaphoid promotes Slartibartfast. Slartibartfast gene product inhibits the action of mice gene. This results in a developmental pathway below. In this book's development pathway, the ultimate question is never discovered, but what would happen in this case of single and double mutations? In single mutations lacking Slartibartfast, transcription of the ultimate question will occur because Slartibartfast cannot block the mice. In a double mutation where Vogon and mice are removed, the ultimate question will not be uncovered because Slartibartfast will block Arthur. In a single mutation where just Vogons are removed, will reverse affect anything downstream and the ultimate question will be transcribed. In a double mutation where Arthur and Vogon are removed, the transcription will not happen because there is nothing left to transcribe.